Okay, so hello everyone. So suppose if you have a list of full names like first name, middle name, and last name, that is, I'm talking about this column. Okay, and if you want to separate like first name in one column, then middle name in second column, then last name in third column. So manually, like if you will have 100 or 200 or 1000 of data, it is difficult to do manually. So here I have a trick. Okay, easy trick, that is nothing but flash fill. So what I will do, that for the first row only, I'm going to write the exact first name, exact middle name, and exact last name. So here it is capital V. So I'm going to write same way V, that is Vansh, then next Harish, and then next is Shah. So you only have to enter only one row manually, and then next click here, and from the keyboard you have to press Control E. So you all can see all the first name of this. Then again select here, Control E, and again select here and Control E. So you just have to press from the keyboard Control E, and you will find the list of data in proper order, like first name, middle name, and last name. I am writing here also that what exactly you have to press, that is Control plus E. But that first row you have to write manually, only the first row. That's it. Thank you everyone.